This is grade 2, exercise 1A, smooth operation. I'm going to play you the right hand first. So we've got a thumb on a D. We're going to have F sharps and C sharps. So the first one, you actually have to count to 2.5 beats. It feels like you're counting to 3, but you move quickly off it. Listen up. 1, 2, 3. Finger 2, 3. Swing under to thumb on G, and then 2, 3, 2. I'm going to play that bit again without talking. Here you come off and put 3 on the middle of the 3 blacks. These ones are staccato. So 3 on G sharp, thumb on E, 2 on F sharp, tuck 3 onto G, A, G. And we've got some staccato ones again. 2 on F sharp, stretch your thumb to D, 2 on E, 3 on F sharp, 2 on E, and thumb on D. I'm going to play that again without talking so that you can hear the rhythm properly. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, here's the left hand. It actually starts on the same note. So just line up your thumbs in the same place. So we've got thumb on a D, and we're going to count for 2. Most of these are minims. 1, 2. 3 on the C sharp, because this is a stronger note. 1, 2. Thumb onto C. 1, 2. 2 on B. 3 on B flat. Swing your thumb under to A. Then we've got G sharp and then G, F sharp. So it kind of goes down chromatically. I'm going to play it this time, but just do the counting. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3,